If you've been following celebrity news, then you probably know about the ongoing case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. This case keeps getting juicier and juicier, with new information popping up every day. All this is about a Washington Post article published by Amber Heard that claims that she is a victim of domestic abuse. Heard claims that Depp has attacked her more than once, but honestly, it is getting quite hard for her to prove it anymore. This whole case is complicated, and it keeps getting better by the day. And now evidence from a case that happened in 2020 has come to light again, showing Amber Heard cheating on Depp with none other than Elon Musk. There have also been claims that Heard also cheated on Depp with James Franco, who's also an actor. But how true are these allegations and claims made by Depp? Could this be an act of jealousy? Stay tuned to find out. As the defamation case continues since April 11th, new information and new evidence are coming to light each day. At some point, it even feels like it's all staged because all this evidence is incriminating to both parties. The case is ongoing in the Fairfax County Circuit Courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia. However, the words that are going around in the courtroom are all gruesome and shocking. Before we can find out more about the allegations that Amber Heard cheated on Depp with Elon Musk and James Franco, let's first find out what we know so far about the case. This case seems to be revolving around one topic: domestic abuse. Amber Heard claims that Depp assaulted her multiple times while they were in their penthouse in California. However, Depp also claims that he was the one being assaulted. They have both tried to prove it, but all the evidence that is being produced seems to incriminate the two of them. Some of it is even confusing, because in one piece of evidence, it seems like Heard is just playing a pretense, doing all this for the money. While in another piece of evidence, it seems like it was real. For Depp, on the other hand, it seems quite real. However, he uses so many illegal drugs that you cannot really know if he was assaulted, or whether he inflicted those injuries on himself. However, we know that Depp has denied the allegations that he ever assaulted his ex-wife Amber Heard. It came as a shock when he admitted in a court full of people that he had never struck his ex-wife or any other woman for that matter. During his testimony, he spoke for 3 hours straight. He admitted that he was in complete shock when Heard made some quite heinous and disturbing allegations about him being violent in the relationship. However, there has been evidence of text messages that show Depp referring to Heard as a rotten corpse. It was reported that Depp texted one of his friends that he hoped his ex-wife Amber Heard was a rotting corpse. This evidence came to light during the ongoing court trial, specifically when Isaac Broch, Depp's friend, took the stand on day 3 of the case. Heard's lawyer, Elaine Bredoff, showed the jury some text messages sent between Depp and Broch in the year 2016.
I would love to pay back some that money, but that's not something that is expected. He's expecting.
Would you say you're kind of beholden to Mr. Depp?
No, I'm not beholden at all.
He's given you $100,000. He's put you in that nice.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear the whole question. Can you say it again?
In the text, Depp said that he hoped Heard's rotting corpse is decomposing in the effing trunk of a Honda Civic. Depp then went on to write about Heard, saying, "That C-word ruined such a effing cool life we had for a while." When Rouge was asked about it, he admitted that it was written. However, Heard has also been put in the spotlight when her former personal assistant appeared to testify against her virtually. Catherine James, Heard's former personal assistant, revealed some shocking facts about Heard's behavior. James, who worked with Amber from 2012 to 2015, said that Amber once spat in her face because she asked for a pay raise. James also revealed that Heard would always scream over the phone without any particular reason. Something else that implicates Amber is Depp's missing fingertip. Dr. David Kippert, Depp's personal doctor, also recently testified, revealing some things that are just shocking. The doctor recalled in a pre-recorded statement that he was once called to the actor's home to clean up his wounds after a horrific incident. It was after the couple had an argument. However, there are two sides to the story. One says that Depp got injured when Heard threw a bottle at him, while the other claims that Depp got injured when he smashed his phone. Either way, Depp was missing a fingertip, and he was bleeding heavily when the doctor arrived. The doctor even admitted to asking the staff to search for Depp's missing fingertip, which his chef later found. This is what we know so far about the ongoing case. It is completely confusing, and this new evidence does not make it any easier. The richest man in the world, Elon Musk, has now been dragged into this case. According to Depp, Heard had the threesome with Elon Musk and model and actress Cara Delevingne. This act is said to have been done at Depp and Heard's apartment in Los Angeles in 2016, during the time when Depp was in Australia shooting. This caught the tech billionaire by surprise, but he refuted these claims. Musk said that he started dating Amber Heard after she had already filed for divorce with Depp. About Kara, he said, "Kara and I are just friends, but we've never been intimate." She would later confirm this. Musk then went further to explain. "Also, I wish to confirm again that Amber and I only started going out about a month after her divorce filing. I don't think I was ever in the vicinity of Amber during their marriage." But is this true? This is not the first time we've heard about Amber cheating on Depp. The same thing happened in 2020 when Depp was suing The Sun in London. In this case, there were allegations that Amber Heard had an affair with Elon Musk, James Franco, or anybody else while she was still with Depp. It was even claimed that Tesla CEO Elon Musk texted her, offering her 24-hour security because he liked her. In this case, it was alleged that Depp had even made up childish names for all the Hollywood stars that he accused Heard of cheating with. He supposedly suspected that his wife was sleeping with Eddie Redmayne, James Franco, Kevin Costner, Liam Hemsworth, Billy Bob Thornton, Channing Potato Head Tatum, Jim Turd Sturgis, and even actress Kelly Garner. Even though there was evidence to prove all the other people, there is definitely evidence that implicated Heard and Elon Musk's. Depp's concierge gave a statement saying that Musk would sometimes pay Heard a regular late-night visit in her California penthouse. However, this only happened when Depp was away. The concierge said that Musk even had a key fob for the garage and that he would usually arrive between 11 p.m. and midnight. Defending herself from this, Heard said, "We, as in Musk and Heard, had just become friends. All jealousy can be deemed as illogical." Later on, Heard was asked about the testimony that the concierge had just made. He was the concierge at the Eastern Columbia building where she was living with Depp. The concierge even admitted that it had been going on for years every time Depp was away. Heard said that the concierge was wrong, claiming that she started talking with Elon Musk in 2016. The court then showed CCTV footage from May 22, 2016, just a day after a fight with Depp. It was the day that Depp was alleged to have smashed up their penthouse, which was the same day that he threw a phone at her, leaving her with a bruised face. According to this video, Heard can be seen getting into the lift with a man, and she turns her head away from the camera. Heard then admitted that the man in the lift was James Franco, who, according to Depp, she also had an affair with while they were still married. Heard admitted that James came to visit her after 11 p.m. However, there is speculation that the man in the elevator is actually the Tesla CEO, Elon Musk. According to the court, Depp and Amber were married, even when Amber was seen cuddling with Elon Musk late at night. The employees at the Eastern Columbia building are said to have been instructed to give her friend Elon access to the property's parking garage. The employees then witnessed Musk leaving in the morning of the following day. The truth is, only the two know the truth about whether Heard cheated or not. But with the way things are going with this case, things might just get even more interesting. I can't wait to see what other pieces of evidence they bring out. Thanks for watching.